providing industry-leading fire suppression systems for all facets of commercial, industrial, and institutional applications in both the government and private sector. RFS LLC has earned a reputation for providing a quality product on time and within budget. Located in Minot, North Dakota, and in business since 1992, RFS received 8A status from the Small Business Administration in March 2004. Certified as a small disadvantaged business, RFS is also classified as a woman-owned business and a minority business enterprise. With years of construction experience and a mentor relationship with a leading mechanical construction company, RFS is uniquely qualified to manage all aspects of large commercial projects. As a prime contractor, RFS provides complete turnkey solutions, coordinating qualified construction teams of general, mechanical, electrical, and civil subcontractors. The proof is in the performance. As prime contractor for the $1.1 million fire suppression project at Minot Air Force Base, RFS not only handled the complete design and installation of the high-expansion foam system, but also managed the entire project. This job required a substantial building addition, a multitude of construction requirements, system engineering, managing several subcontractors, and specifying products and vendors. A project of this magnitude has established RFS's standing as a reputable and reliable prime contractor willing to tackle the most comprehensive logistical job situations and the expertise to manage all types of contracts. The professional and knowledgeable RFS staff includes personnel who install, repair, inspect, and perform alterations of fire protection systems. This involves work on wet and dry pipe sprinkler systems, pre-action systems, and high-expansion foam systems. A mentor-protege relationship with C&C Plumbing and Heating further enhances the capabilities of RFS. Obtaining the experience of a 25-year-old mechanical contracting firm with expertise in plumbing, heating, HVAC, and temperature control allows RFS to furnish a complete contracting package for the client. RFS's emphasis in mechanical construction is further strengthened by the capabilities of C&C, which provides access to bonding, financing, and office management to address any contracting requirement. If you're looking for an experienced prime contractor and skilled professionals, RFS stands ready to provide you with a highly qualified construction team for your next project. RFS LLC, offering quality workmanship, resources, and solutions for any job, large or small.